Welcome back, folks. Part 3 of this root pinch job. Okay, now I'm going to go through some explanations on how to diagnose and repair these because these ones get really tricky. Now, this whole zone, this is our first hit on the zone, and it goes down this way and they all have great pressure. These have nothing. We've already uncovered, absolutely, we have a massive root pinch here and we can see it going basically what appears to be this direction. And so my impression is, okay, well, my first thought was let's dig this head up and see where the pipe goes. And sure enough, we found it. And the pipe comes here. Now look at this. This is why you don't just fix that there and dig the roots up. You bypass it with a shallow trench because it's coming through here. But look how tight that is. Look how much pinch is already on that. So we're going to cut this pipe, see if the water's coming this way. That way we know we can do the elbow, do a shallow trench. If the water's coming from this way, then we know the water's coming from the valve somewhere over here, and we have to do different work.